Video we'll be looking at using completing the square to solve the quadratic equations. But first we're going to do completing the square on these expressions here, which are going to follow the formula I've written on top. So first up is just x plus half of b, which is 2 squared. C is 0, so it'd be minus b squared, which is 16, divided by 4, which is 4. Next up, do the same method, minus nine. Next, we have in this form, so we can first factorize, and then do complete the square on the inside. Minus square that, which is 16. Okay, next up, here, so we're going to do 2 times x plus 8 over 4 all squared plus c is 1 minus b squared, which is 64, divided by 4 times a, which is 8. That equates to 2x plus 2 squared plus 1 minus 8, so it's going to be minus 7. So now we have it to solve the quadratic equation. So here we're going to do x plus 3 all squared plus 1 minus 9 equals 0, and then solve the equation for this. So that gives x plus 3 all squared minus 8 equals 0. If I rearrange all of that, I'm going to get x plus 3 equals square root 8 plus and minus. I've taken the minus 8 over and then a square root it. So x equals minus 3 plus and minus square root 8. And that's how you get the two roots. One with the plus and then another one with the minus. So over here, we're going to use the formula from the top of the page. I'm just going to scroll down. So here we got 2 bracket x plus 6 over 2 times 2 is 4 all squared plus c, which is minus 3, minus b squared, which is 36 over 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay, so just clean that all up, and that all equals to 0. So this will give me 2x plus 3 over 2 squared, and just going to do the inside of the bracket. So 36 divided by 8 is 9 over 2. So do minus 3 minus 9 over 2 to get minus 15 over 2. To equal 0. And then we just rearrange. take the minus 15 over 2 over and divide that by 2. So that will give us a positive. So we'll have, start from here, x plus 3 over 2 all squared equals 15 over 4, and then we square root that. So x equals minus 3 over 2 plus and minus square root 15 over 4. So I've taken the square root over and then taken the plus 3 over 2 over.